Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a pretty neutral day. Yeah, it did gap up and then rolled back over. But, taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture point of view, it's still essentially right between a couple of these key technical levels that I want to point out here, because I think there will be a lot of people watching these exact same levels moving forward. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level that a whole lot of people will be watching, rightfully so, is that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 200-period simple moving average. Current value of that, as we'll just call it right there, at the $1.85 mark. So $1.85 would be that first key level of support. That, like I said, if the price falls below there, nothing's guaranteed, but I don't think anybody would be shocked to see that ultimately create even more downside selling pressure, because the price is broken down below a level that a lot of people would be watching. So keep an eye on that. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the level that a lot of people will be watching, so all those breakout players, going to be keeping a very close eye on this 205 mark. So in fact, 205 was already showed up a couple of times earlier on in the day, both there and there as an area of resistance. So if the price can work its way back up to that area and then get the breakup through there, that break in of itself could very well create some upside buying pressure. Again, nothing is guaranteed. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to be having in regard to these couple of price levels here. So yeah, today by no means was it a great day, but it's also wasn't a disastrous day either. So it's really just a question of how is the price going to continue to behave relative to these couple of technical levels going forward. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.